Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below so you can get notifications of when I go live and when I have videos up, and do lots of special things like Beauties and the Beat with Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s, and we are now doing that on Sunday evening, so that is always something to look forward to. Today, I'm very excited because I am finally getting into the Milk Cosmetics Rust Palette. And I will be doing swatches. And look how gorgeous this is. I have swatched some of it before because how could I resist getting my fingers into something as gorgeous as that is? So let's start with Classic, Antique, Erode, and Rubbish. So you can see that's my kind of like my flesh tone. Then we are into Tarnish, Rust, Rideau, and Mar. It's gorgeous, so pigmented. I do love Milk Cosmetics. They have some palettes that are kind of hit and miss, but this one seems like the pigmentation is definitely more of a hit than a miss, and it is just beautiful. And it also gives me kind of an idea of where to start. And this may end up to be a smoky eye. But let's start playing around and see where we go. Round and round do we go. Where we stopped, nobody knows. Nobody knows. I'm going to start in the crease with Antique. That is a peachy color. And it's blending really nicely. Just blending it out. Make it really soft. That was one swipe. Looks like I need a little extra on this side. But it's also blending out really nicely. So that is a great place to start from. Next up, I want to go into Rubbish. Goodbye to Bad Rubbish. It is beautifully pigmented. It is kind of a baby poop brown. The most appetizing description. And there is some kick up in the pan. And this is just gorgeous so far. Gorgioso, I would say. I'm going to actually go back into Rubbish and put it in my crease. Oh, it's nice. Super nice, super cute. And then on the lid, I'm going to put Erode. A lot of kick up in the pan. Louis, you know I'm busy. He does whatever he wants to. Now I've got Louis and Ruby on the desk. And I need to go under my brow. So I'm going to do that with Classic. There's some kick up. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to start bringing a squirt bottle in here to get Ruby under control. She is playing with the door. And this is looking very pretty. I'm going to go a little darker with Redo. R-E-D-O-X, Redo. Oh, it's beautiful. It is a shimmer. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm going to blend this out. There's a little fallout. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to go a little deeper into Rock Squared. Just add a little depth. Very nice. I'm going to go back and blend a little bit of Classic. And this is just a beautiful dark smoky look. And we're going to do some eyeliner. We are going to use the Lumbrella eyeliner. Nice thick line. Oh, this is such a beautiful smoky look. And I'm going to go in with the Go Big or Go Home mascara. Oh, this is such a beautiful look. I'm very excited about it. And for my lip, I'm going to do something really cool. Trying to see if I can find the right color. My eyes look so sultry. I'm going to do a coppery bronze look. I can't read what this is called, but this should look gorgeous. And here we have it, a beautiful smoky look with the Rust palette from Melt Cosmetics. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.